I'm going to remove as much of this as I can off of this bird, and then we're going to jump right into the turkey vegetable soup. Oh yeah, shredded, just like that. Not chopped, not diced, shredded. Oh yeah, be right back. Okay, we're getting into this pretty good now. When you're shredding and peeling this meat off, be careful. There are some parts that are not edible. You really don't want them in your soup. Some of these little tough pieces. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Right along a few parts of the turkey there are cartilage pieces, and you can put them in your stock, but you surely don't want to be eating soup and hit one of these chunks, the hard stuff. So keep that aside and just go for the shredded meat.